Welcome to Qantas Airlines. This is the airline where fat guys go to.
What the hell?
This is the airline where terrorists always spawn.
First, let's introduce Axios Gyro, the server owner.
Hello.
Excise Fire X, the server owner.
What?
Well, actually, co-owner.
Thank you.
Kelsey, actually, other name.
This is so.
Missy Kelly is the air hostess.
Miss
And-
Kels. Oh.
Hope that
Oh
Kelly
my god.
is
I
a
love
terrorist.
English.
My English is very Asian because I'm Asian.
What?
Got problem? Racist much?
You sound so
Get out.
Indian.
I am Indian.
Okay, let's start
Okay.
the plane. Let's go.
Please get ready. Please click in your seat. We are getting ready for takeoff in 10, 9, 8, 1. We have takeoff. Hey, I'm the co-pilot. Now I must serve some Indian food.
Kelsey, I'm gonna kill you. Bang bang.
Uh-oh. Terrorist! Terrorist!
Bang. Oh, whoops. I grief. Whatever. Bang bang.
Terrorist!
Yeah. I grief. Grief. Yeah. TNT explosion. Meow. Bang bang. Boom. Bang.
Wow, hold that.
Holy. Oh my God! It's the pilot. Kill. Kill.
Hey!
Bang
Oi!
bang bang.
Miss me. Oh, stop griefing! Wait.
Bang bang bang.
The
Don't
whole
mess up
plane's
with me
been
when I'm
green.
pooping.
Bang
I
bang
must
bang.
jump out.
I'm pooping! Get
Whoops, I
out!
slipped.
What the hell?
Come on, follow me.
Oh. Oh,
Hey,
shit.
get in the wing.
We put us on TNT and I lagged.
Actually, get in the wing here right now. Come.
I'm getting upstairs.
Quick, it's gonna explode. Oh no, it's exploding.
Ah!
You just lagged the server! Okay. Go on. What are you
Guys,
doing?
you know what you should do?
The
You
whole
should do the
plane's
whole
green.
baby. Let's do the baby thing again.
Oh, shut up.
Okay,
On
do
the
it, do it.
bloopers.
Okay, that's one of the bloopers. Let's go down to the toilet.
Blah 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 blah. Okay, oh my god, stop griefing the plane.
Sorry.
Actually,
But I didn't.
Ah, I fell through the plane.
Holy moly. It's the
Okay,
plane.
let's do some 360 jumps.
What did you say?
Let's go off the plane and do a 360 jump.
Okay, we have to say something before the TNT explodes, okay? It is, watch out.
Jenny pits!
cowbungers.
What the hell?
Okay.
Teletubbies.
Oh, okay, we have to say this. Watch more of our videos, subscribe, like...
Wait. Hey, Kelsey, add me on Skype.
Fly.
Okay, you know, in the front of the plane it's griefed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we put a TNT, and then before the TNT explodes, we have to say, remember to, like, favorite, and subscribe. And then we all die.
Die.
So let's. Okay,
Yes, it's fun. Let's try.
I'll turn off our game mode then.
Yeah, turn off our game.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, you know what to say, right? Guys,
Wait.
come here. Wait.
I'm God.
Okay, turn off your god mode and stuff.
just
Just
did.
die, okay?
By the way, the TNT works. Oh, it will explode.
Hey, Kelsey, try if you can hit me.
So what?
Try hitting me. To see if I have god mode.
Someone didn't turn my god mode off because it won't let me turn mine off.
What the hell?
How do you spell your name?
Miss Kels. It's pretty easy.
Oh, just kill yourself.
Why? It's fun.
No, but this TNT, just put some redstone.
Did I turn off yet?
Well, who's gonna record?
Oh, I'm recording already.
Okay. Once you record, we all.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Put some redstone.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'll put it myself, and then you just record. Just stay in that place.
Oh.
No, stay here. Stand here. You're the cameraman.
Ow.
Asuya, here. Stand here.
No, I'm standing here.
No, here.
No, I like here.
No, you're the cameraman.
Oh, fuck you.
Yeah, stand here. So, ow.
Go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ow, ow, ow.
Like this.
No, stop.
Ah, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Stop it.
Stop!
Pork fat.
Oh, first.
Okay, let's just take a picture of us PvP battling.
Oh, wait.
Oh
No,
my God.
let's say our line.
Ah, stop you! Oh.
You know.
No, we're not done yet.
No!
Stop you.
Okay, now it works. Yeah!
First you.
Thanks, stop cursing. Ding, 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 ding. Let's put some redstone.
Where's Miss Kells?
Oh, dang it.
Boy, stop fish slapping me.
Let's fly around the plane.
Stop it.
Are you taking a video?
Oh, wow, treasure! Ooh.
Bitch.
Excuse me, what did he call me?
Miss Kells.
Dipshit.
Stop it.
So
Okay, fine.
Dipshit.